You see that? Isn't it pretty? These are the pills I'm having to take right now because I got a bacterial infection from the Twinkie. As you can see, there is a lot of dust inside of this RV. Also, I failed to mention, today is Thanksgiving, a day to be grateful, a day for thanks. And you know what? I am grateful and thankful. And I'd much rather be doing this than eating turkey today. In this scene, you can see where I start ripping up the bathroom rugs, and if you'll notice, there is a lot of dust that will start flying through the air. I did have my mask on at this point, but I did not have the appropriate mask on. Look at all that dust just filtering through the air. Yeah, that's all it is. It's just glued on there. Wow, look at all that dust. I'm glad I'm using my phone and not my good camera. Here are the 44-year-old nasty curtains. Also notice all the dust webs. Not a good thing. Okay. Now I'm going to rip up the carpet. Notice this is where I make my biggest mistake in this entire operation. I go back to the back, and I'm so anxious to get this carpet up. Notice something missing? Yeah. I didn't put my mask on. And here I am pulling this 44-year-old carpet up without any protection on my face. So yes, I was basically inhaling all the bacteria, all the mold, all the bad nasties by doing this. Not a good thing, and this is why I'm making this video. Here is the mask I had been using. I had to buy a new one because I lost the old one, of course, but this is probably not quite the appropriate type of mask to use for such in-depth, deep work. And those are my work gloves that I finally remembered to grab, and those are better than wearing rubber gloves as well. Okay, so I put my mask back on, and I'm going to try to finish ripping out the rest of this carpet. Rip off of that or something. There we go. Okay. Oh, big tonnage of carpet. Oh. Oh. I can't move it. It's too heavy. Wow. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Out. Da, 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 da. Uh-huh. Notice all the nastiness, all the bad carpet outside. This, folks, made me sick and left me in pain for 4 entire weeks until I got the proper doctor and the proper attention. This is what happened. The bacterial infection set into my ankles, swelling them profusely, settled into my knees, settled into my right wrist, which swelled it up, my right elbow, and I had issues with my neck. My ankles are typically very thin. In this one picture, you can see the difference between the two ankles. However, both of them are still swollen. And the upcoming photo is a picture of me in the ER getting help. They put me on naproxen, which I forgot gives me purple blotches, and gave me a 3-hour bloody nose. Is this project worth it? Heck yes! But just take caution.